If you haven't done so already, please make sure that your tray tables and seat backs are in the full upright and locked position, and all carry-on items are stowed.
Folks, there are a plethora of you that have connecting flights out of San Diego here. I'm going to give you some of the information as it was given to us in Tucson. It does show us coming into gate number 7. Those of you continuing on to Vegas on flight 992, you're going to be going out of gate number 4. Oakland on flight 475, you're going out of gate number 2. Albuquerque on flight 1100, you're going out of gate number 1. San Francisco, flight 1207, you're going out of gate number 10. St. Louis on flight 5672, you're going to follow this flight attendant crew over to gate number 8. We'll go on with you. If I didn't mention your flight, or even if I did, be sure to double check those TV monitors once you get inside the terminal. They will have your most current and accurate gate and time information for you. Those of you who may be continuing on this plane to Sacramento, just ask you to hang tight in the exact seats that you are in while we get these folks deplaned here in San Diego. There's also going to be a crew change here, so that would be very helpful for us if you would please just hang tight in those seats while we get that crew count confirmed with our ground operations personnel, get the crew change completed, and you'll have time to get up and stretch your legs. Welcome to San Diego, folks.
That's the rental car center, that blue window.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, this actually is landing coming into Phoenix is very rough.
Oh yeah.
This wasn't really bad.
Well, it's because Phoenix is really hot. That's why it's really like rough.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of this flight crew and all of Southwest Airlines, welcome to San Diego. Please remain seated, seatbelts fastened, everything stowed exactly where it's at. Once the guys up front get this plane up to the gate, they will turn off that fasten seatbelt sign, and that'll be your one and only indicator that it is safe to remove that seatbelt and stand and move about. However, do take caution when standing and opening those overhead bins. Items do tend to shift during flight and could fall out. Once again, those of you with connecting flights, be sure to double check the TV monitors once you get inside the terminal for your most current and accurate gate information. Also, you can go ahead and utilize those smaller portable electronic devices in full cellular function as long as you can do so without removing any of those carry-ons or your seat belt. Those of you continuing on this plane to Sacramento, once again, please just hang tight in the exact seat that you are in until we get the folks deplaned here in San Diego, make a head count, get that count confirmed, do a crew change, then you'll have time to get up and stretch your legs. Just hang tight where you're at until then. Those of you that the San Diego area is your final destination, at least for today, go out, be safe, buckle up. It certainly has been our pleasure spending a portion of our day with you. We know you have many choices when you fly. We thank you so much, and we're very honored that you chose us here at Southwest Airlines. Welcome to San Diego.